Welcome back to BIMARTIK. In this short guide, we'll look at the Remove CAD Files command, the fastest way to clean up unused or outdated CAD links from your Revit project. Open the BIMARTIK panel and click Remove CAD Files. A window appears listing all CAD links currently loaded in your model, showing each file's name, path, and status. Simply select the files you want to remove or choose Select All to clear everything at once. When you click Remove Selected, BIMARTIK safely unloads and deletes those CAD links from your project without affecting any other elements or settings. That's it. In just a few seconds, you have removed unnecessary CAD files and optimized your Revit model. Keep your project efficient only with BIMARTIK. Thanks for watching and keep building smarter with BIMARTIK.